Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert PNG into vector in a Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, open up any image and add it to a canvas in a Photoshop. After adding up, now what you have to do is you just have to hold down Control and click on the layer. Now what you have to do is you just have to open up this rectangular marquee tool. So after tapping on this, now right click on this and tap on make work path. So and make tolerance 1.0 and click on OK. So now you can see it will create a work path for your PNG. So now what you have to do is go to selection tool, which is direct selection tool. Now right click on it and tap on create vector mask. Now what it has done is it has created a vector mask for a PNG. Now hit enter and press Ctrl plus T to transform and transform according to your need. And now you can see it has created a vector mask. So what you can do is you can just save it by tapping on file, save as, apply. You have to save it in EPS format. So just tap on EPS and hit save. So in this way guys, you can convert your PNG into vector form in Photoshop. That's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.